Hey everyone, my name is Drew. Welcome back to my channel. So, I have an SAT in less than a week. So instead of studying, I am gonna make something. Let's find out what I make. Alright buddies, so basically so far I've made the actual thing that's gonna be doing stuff. So it is just a simple red background and there's a shiny metallic ball in the middle. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Probably should increase the brightness of this red a little bit. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted to, but that's alright. Shouldn't be a big deal. So yeah, it's a nice cherry red background. There's a clear. I probably should decrease this a little bit. There's a clear-ish torus. Just like a loop that's gonna go. It's called torus. Taurus, not Taurus. My bad. Almost sounded like a crazy person for a second. Basically. There's a clear torus that is clear. Yeah, I said that. It's gonna move around like so with the light, I think. I don't know if I should do with the light or without the light. Maybe I can do without the light, keep the light stationary. So it's gonna be an animation. Basically, this thing is gonna be moving like so to the edge of the screen and then back, or maybe right off screen and then back. I'm not really sure yet. And then while the torus is on the side, the sphere will be on top, and then it'll come right in, and it'll be perfect to where it's able to move without hitting each other. Now to find out how to actually make an animation. Hey everyone, Editor Drew here, and before I let the video continue, I just want to say, trying to figure that shit out on my own was the biggest mistake I could have made. It was so easy afterwards. All I had to do was look up how to export an animation Blender 3D. It took me like 5 seconds to figure it out. But no. So you know what my idiotic self... Okay. It's 52 frames. You see that later. I ended up getting 52 different images. Yeah. Moving on. Oh, yo! You'll see that? Beautiful. Amazing. Alright. And once again, editor's side note, the cut you just witnessed was like an hour long. Holy shit. My lizard brain cannot comprehend why I didn't just look it up. So, let me just figure out some of the keying. So... delete keyframe, delete keyframe, delete keyframe, delete keyframe. Now this just go up and down, right? So this is gonna be at the top of the screen. Okay. And that means that this is gonna be at this side of the screen. Okay. Then let's say a second in, so that's 24. Let's not make it. Let's make it 16. Okay, let's make it 16 frames. 16 frames in. This thing is back at the middle. This thing is back down here. That look good enough. That looks perfect. Alright, then another 16 from that, so that makes it 32. This thing is over here. And this thing is back at the top. Alright. Yo! That wasn't the greatest, but it was decent. That is decent. See, this is why I take physics, alright? Like honestly, what better? No, none of that designing cars, none of that creating, useful things for humanity. This is why I take physics, to know that that isn't possible, to later change it and make it perfect. So I am not gonna perfect it. What I want to do is smoothen it out to where, say, like right here, there's a keyframe that's of the torus, for example, that's closer to the edge, so as if it's like decelerating and stopping, not just instant stop, But for now, that's all right, I think. So viewer might be thinking, I finished it. I just gotta add some finishing touches. Click export, render. That's it. No, 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 no. I failed that. I messed that up even more. All right. How could I? I ended up exporting the whole thing as 52 separate images instead of 52 frames of a video. So instead of rendering it once, which took like 1 hour, I rendered it twice. Thankfully, the second time I did get it right, and I'm only gonna make you watch it once. Even though, since it's my work, it is beautiful and you should watch it twice. So just rewind and watch it again. Yeah. So since I didn't show the entirety of the process of making, you're probably wondering, you just spent the last, what, 8-ish minutes of your life wasting it watching this, and that's probably edited down from like, what, 5, 8, 17-ish hours of my life. So what beauty must have came from it? Well, these 2.5 seconds did. But I'm going to play on a repeat just for you.